Hello guys, and welcome back again to another recipe video. So guys, today's video we are going to be making groundnut or peanut soup. So guys, if this look like something you're interested in, keep on watching, and thank you for always watching my video. I appreciate you all. Welcome back guys. So I'm just going to be adding my goat meat to the pot, my tripes also known as Shaki, 2 little seasoning cube, salt to taste. Just stir everything together, add some water and cover and allow it to come to a boil. So now I'm just going to be blending 1 onion and 1 scotch bonnet pepper.
Just holy water. The wind is roaring my...
So guys, this is what our meat is looking like. So I'm going to be adding the roughly blended onions and scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just going to stir, add in some water and allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on how tender you want your meat. So guys, this is the peanut we are going to be using. Is a unsalted grilled peanut. It's about 200 grams. So I'm going to just go ahead and blend it. So at this stage our meat is ready. So I'm just going to be adding my cooked chicken.
It's been way too long since I almost caught her.
So guys, I'm going to go ahead and add in some palm oil. Mind you, groundnut already contain a lot of oil, so you don't want to add too much oil. And you guys know there is no African soup without oil except is white soup. So right now I'll go ahead and add my blended peanuts. So I'm also adding some dried bitter leaf. You can also use fresh ones if you have. And also my smoked mackerel. And I'm going to be adding some fresh spinach and then some crayfish for that extra flavor. Take a look at that guys. So right now I'm just going to be adding some water to lighten the soup up and then cover and allow it to cook the final cooking. And voila, our soup is ready. Take a look at that guys. You can actually eat this with any swallow of your choice, fufu, gari, starch, anything you like, eba. You can even eat it with rice. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow my page if you're watching on Facebook, and subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught her.